Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubbles out of wallpaper. First, let's identify the issue. Wallpaper bubbles are essentially air trapped beneath the surface, causing unsightly bulges. These can range from tiny, dime-sized bumps to much larger, several-inch-wide pockets. It's important to address them quickly, as ignoring them can lead to the wallpaper peeling further or even tearing. We'll cover simple, effective methods to restore your walls. For smaller bubbles, the fix is quite straightforward. Grab a very sharp utility knife or a fine needle. Carefully make a tiny incision or puncture directly into the center of the bubble. This allows the trapped air to escape. Then, using a clean, dry cloth or a wallpaper roller, gently press down on the bubble, working from the edges towards the puncture. This pushes out the air and re-adheres the wallpaper smoothly to the wall. Larger bubbles require a slightly different approach. Start by making a small, cross-shaped cut in the very center of the bubble. This creates flaps that allow you to access the area underneath. Carefully lift these flaps and apply a small amount of wallpaper adhesive directly to the wall or the back of the wallpaper. Use a brush or syringe for precision. Then, press the flaps back down firmly, smoothing from the center outwards. Wipe away any excess adhesive with a damp sponge. To prevent bubbles from forming in the first place, proper preparation is key. Always ensure your walls are clean, dry, and properly primed before you begin wallpapering. When applying the adhesive, strive for an even coat, avoiding both dry patches and excessive amounts. During installation, use a wallpaper smoother or a soft brush to work out any air pockets as you go, ensuring a strong, bubble-free bond. These steps will save you time and effort later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.